What's up, YouTube? Looking for an Android box? You like Android TV? Well, if you got 15 bucks, we can make it happen. Stick around. Welcome back to Kelly Tech. Alright, so I was browsing Walmart. Hadn't been there in like forever. And I seen this stick. I've never even heard of it. It's a Walmart brand. ONN. But it has Android TV and FHD Streaming Stick. So I don't know much about it. But it seems like, they made a Fire Stick but put Android TV on it. So that is pretty cool to me. So right now we're just going to unbox it. And oh, it was 15 bucks. Like, even if it's slow, if it's got Android TV operating system on it, 15 bucks, I mean, it's a good deal. It's a 2K streaming stick, it says. See, I know nothing about this yet, guys, but I will. As you can see, it actually has a nice little remote. It's actually pretty sweet. So you guys can see it. You got the YouTube button, the Disney button, HBO Max, and Netflix. That's pretty cool. Yeah, home, back. This is a pretty sweet little remote. Alright, well, this is promising so far, guys. There's our cord. Old style. I don't know if you guys can get that. Comes with a set of batteries. And here is the stick. I'm sure there's not really much to report on it. Right there. It has a small hole right there. Yeah. It's actually bigger than the Fire Stick, I believe. A little wider. And comes with an extension. That way if you have any type of issue, with your TV and this thing sticking out funny or something, this will help that. So that's the unboxing, guys. I'm going to jump right into putting some apps on here and seeing what she can do. Alright. So I've done some poking around. Figured out what it can and what it can't do. So what it can't do is, I wouldn't suggest gaming. So if you're wanting to play games, this isn't your device. But if you're wanting to stream, it works just fine. If you're patient. I love the interface. It's Android TV, it's my favorite. It's not the fastest, but it does the job. Like, if you're in this price range, you spent $15 on this device, you could get YouTube, Peacock, IMDb TV, Pluto, Tubi, Vudu, Zumo, and then you can even throw Plex in there. They got a free movies section. But of course, it'll also play all your modern paid subscriptions, like Netflix. See, I mean, it's not bad. Disney. Yeah. It's not a bad little device. I mean, it's a little on the slow side, but it gets the job done. Copyright reasons. But not bad. Check out some Prime. And here you go. So, see if we can get something going here. Yeah, I think. Yeah, as you could see, it popped up. Gotta stop it for obvious reasons. But everything plays pretty smooth. I mean, once you get it set up, it's kind of a pain to get everything set up and going, but once you get it set up, you're good. And like I said, for $15, you could put Peacock, IMDb, Pluto, Tubi, Vudu, Zumo, and then whatever other free apps you know of. And this thing, it will just be $15 of awesome. But don't expect gaming in here. I actually installed Asphalt 8 and played a game of it. And yeah, I'll leave that at the end of the video for you guys if you want to watch. It actually played way better than I thought it was gonna. But it was just way too difficult to get everything working right. And the Bluetooth issues with this thing. But if you just want to stream some content from, some typical streaming apps, this thing's awesome. Because it has the Android interface. I mean, $15 of awesome, guys. But know what you're getting. Don't think you're getting NVIDIA Shield here, guys. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. And as always, have a tech day. Alright. Is this really going to work? Really didn't think it was going to even play. It probably won't. Well, let's find out. Oh my God. I play this a lot on my Shield. Well, I used to. So for this game to even play it all on this device is a miracle. Doofus and Turbo. game a lot to test little Android systems, just because it's not like too intense, but it lets you know what you got, you know. And wow, I mean, look at this. You're looking at it. It is very smooth. In the menus, it was horrid, but in the game,